According to the present day situation in Pakistan.
In the fort of India, not Indian fort.
In
They're two different things.
Yes, of course, I stand to be corrected. किला हिंदुस्तान में,
किला हिंद में,
किला हिंद में, किला हिंद में,
पनागज़ीन हुए किला हिंद में,
पनागज़ीन हुए किला हिंद में. It has two references. One is taking refuge, and the other refers to fort, and fort is associated with the army. There has been a precedence when the Pakistan army tortured East Pakistanis, and East Pakistani, even Muslims, took refuge in India, and India came to their help. And with this new ordinance by another army man, I don't know, it has been agitating my mind for the last few months since I studied this revelation, that Hazur being the representative of Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, if it could be fulfilled, if you ever took refuge in Fort of India.
Please, it's a very interesting question, but I think by having mentioned the fort, you opened the gate and went out, walked out of the fort and completely deserted that fort. That is the fort as mentioned in this Ilham of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam. You know, this is called Qiyas Mal Fariq. Having based yourself on something, you ultimately leave the whole meaning alone and drift from place to place until you reappear somewhere else completely, you know. The fact is that meaning has already, that prophecy or that verse, that revelation applies in fact to the appearance of Hazrat Masih Maud. It says that although Islam would nominally be present everywhere in the world, but the true figure of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as it was would reappear in India and would be defended in India. How? By the appearance of Ahmadiyyat, by the appearance of Hazrat Masih Maud Wasalam, and the Holy Prophet of Islam, who is so lovable, who is so irresistible, he would re-emerge from the dark ages and the distorted figure, Na'udhu Billah min Zalik, which was created by the periods of the later period of many dark centuries of Islam. He was completely misunderstood, he was completely misquoted, his personality was deformed, and not only the enemies started attacking him, but also inadvertently his so-called followers started helping them. This is what had happened to Hazur Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when Hazrat Masih Maud Wasalam appeared and re-established his beauty, his true charm, his spiritual heights, and presented him to the world in a manner as became the most charming person that ever was created on earth. And this is how we are winning ground for Islam, by presentation of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to the rest of the world, the true Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa. So this is the phenomena which started with the advent of Hazrat Masih Maud Wasalam, the defense of Hazur Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We can call it that. And wherever an Ahmadi is, he is working as a soldier, and the citadel of India is now enlarging. And actually that the four walls of that citadel are ultimately extended to other parts of the world as well. But it's the same fort which is enlarging.
Quite so. Yes. But there have been instances when one revelation of Hazrat Masih Maud has been fulfilled in many colors and in many times. So couldn't you think that...
I'm coming to that. Now coming to that particular suggestion. Although you tried to infer from this revelation that it could be fulfilled if I go to India and take refuge there, but it is only just finding an excuse for your own personal suggestion,
Yes.
as I see it.
Of course it is.
Suggestion as such is also not to be accepted. Why? Because if you further analyze the situation, there are two important occasions in the history of Jamaat which are similar to Hijrah. Number one, a Hijrah from Qadian.
In 47.
When the head of the Ahmadiyya community of that time had to leave Qadian because conditions were such as the headquarters could not be run in Qadian. So he had to shift. And the second time came in the present circumstances, when again a Khalifa was indirectly or directly compelled to leave his headquarters because he could not function his duties normally, remaining in that headquarter and remaining in that country. This is the, in essence of the whole thing.
The first
So, just a minute. So, you have to first win this second Hijrah and start entering from there, and then go back to Qadian as victorious. He's not seeking refuge. That will be a very embarrassing situation for Ahmadis if instead of winning back Qadian, returning to Qadian as victorious, they go to Qadian seeking refuge from the very people who have turned you out. That will be a very sad occasion if that happens. And this is not going to happen in my lifetime, I assure you, inshallah.
Thank you
We
very
will go
much.
back victorious, return to our country, Pakistan, and after that Allah will open new ways for us and new means to win back Qadian. That is how I see. Yes, please. Salim, after all, no, it was he who had relinquished his right in favor of him, not you. Please. I think I'll be able to give you a few minutes after him. It all depends upon what question he asks, short or long question.
Hazur, Assalamu
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Hazur, today I had written one suggestion and one question.
Yes.
So if Hazur likes the suggestion, I think
You look at Salim's face and decide. When you said this, you should have seen his face. You know, he
So if Hazur
lost
likes
all hope of you doing any time.
the suggestion, I'll have to read through, but the question Hazur will have to answer also. And
Okay, come, go ahead, do it, please.
the suggestion,
Both. Anything you please.
Jazakallah. Before I start my suggestion or a question, I would request that I should be
So
allowed
interesting, yeah.
to correct a word or two, and that is yesterday when Hazur allowed me to ask another question in the Majlis Irfan. I think I said that I am criticized for not giving a chance to others to ask questions. I apologize for that, and that what I should have said, that I may be criticized for not giving a chance to others to ask questions.
Thank you for that rectification. And your apologies, although they were not needed, they are accepted.
Jazakallah. I'm so sorry for that.
Not
Well,
at all. I mean, there's nothing wrong
It's
about
written,
it.
Hazur.
Now tomorrow you may have to take this apology back.
No, Hazur, again you'll have to confirm the apology.
So if you want to take the apology back, I am ready to return it to you.
No, Hazur,
All right.
you keep the apology.
Okay.
I mean, accept the apology.
Okay.
Jazakallah. Hazur will have to say loud so that I can hear also.
Beg pardon?
Hazur will have to say louder so that I can.
Okay. All right. You first address yourself to this microphone.
Hazur,
Yes, that's better.
Hazur has already
You shift slightly to your
confirmed
right,
my apology.
if you shift slightly to your right, yourself,